Hey everyone, I am doing another yard project it's a small, well, sort of small project, but I thought it would be fun to kind of show you guys what I'm doing, and so I wanted to do a video on it for you. So basically what I'm doing is I have this patio behind me, and a lot of the there's a lot of like cracks where the cement, I mean they're intentional cracks where the cement meets, as you can kind of see, like right here there's a gap, and they're thick enough that like they're kind of annoying when you are walking on the patio. You kind of, chairs fall into it, or you can possibly even trip on it. So I wanted to try something out. I have no idea if this is going to work, so it's kind of an experiment. So we'll see if the plants take, but basically what I'm doing is I'm filling those cracks with moss. I thought about doing it with coming in with sand, or some pea gravel or something like that, but I just didn't want to deal with that mess. Plus I wanted it to look, the patio to look more weathered, and more kind of like, you know, English garden type, where you see, you know, pavers that have moss growing on them and those kind of things. So I'm kind of imitating that look, and like I said, this is a total experiment, so don't take my word for it on this one, but just wanted to see if it will work, and if I can keep it alive and then have a cool looking patio. So. Alright, so I finished the patio. I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm actually filming this portion of the video 2 weeks later. Sometimes that's just how life goes. You start a project, it takes a while to finish it, especially when I'm recording it. I got sick in there, a lot of things happening, so I'm kind of excited to show you the results 2 weeks later to show how they withstood some foot traffic. We've had quite a lot of rain, and so far most of the moss has actually stayed put in the cracks, so I will give you guys some shots here, but overall I'm happy with it. I hope it comes back in the spring. We're about to go into fall here. Well, we're in fall here, and then we'll soon be in winter. I'm in Minnesota, so we get some pretty harsh winters, so I'm hoping that this moss survives and comes back in the spring. So that's it for this project, and I hope to have you guys tune in for the next one. Bye.